My beautiful and amazing people, where una dey? Make una come out make una come hear update. Omo, as I hear dis information, my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside oil. Hey! Sophia Momodu, you do dis one. Omo guys, no be small thing o. According to the information right now wey burst out concerning Sophia Momodu message to Davido, wey make Davido aunty Mama Dupe dey ask say, what is dat thing you wanted from Davido that you say you want to see Davido? Shebi na here wey we dey when Sophia come tell the whole world on live stream saying that she has not come in contact with Davido for how many years now? She don't have anything to do with Davido. She has moved on. She has fiancé. She is living her life now. Say the only thing wey dey left between she and Davido na im offspring, and even im offspring no really care. Now, Sophia don go look for another strategy according to the information. This very strategy, knowing fully well that this particular thing wey she talk so na something wey be say on a normal day, Davido no dey like use ear hear am because e dey mostly dey traumatize am. E dey mostly dey pain am to im bone marrow. Something wey be say e affect am for complete 1 year of his life. E pause im career, pause everything, all because of how the thing sounded and appeared to him. Na im Sophia carry come again o. My people, make una draw una chair come o, make una come hear this matter wey dey on ground so. Omo, wonders e no fit ever end o. According to wetin we dey hear now, that Sophia wrote that she want to see Davido. You know say she no get access to Davido directly. So she come say she wan see Davido. When they come say, Mama Dupe come reply, tell her say, what is that thing that she want to tell Davido that is making her want to see Davido? She should relate with her. Then she go send am back to Davido. She say, lie o. Say the thing dey very, very important and that it is about Ifeanyi wey don RIP. May his gentle soul continue to dey rest in perfect peace. Omo, na im dey say Davido wey dey worried and bothered that what could that be? Is it a confession from her or what? He come say, okay, what is that? Na im she say, that she always see Ifeanyi in her dream. Say e come appear to her that she should send the message to Davido. Say e get something wey im dey find where im keep am, nobody know. Say and Ifeanyi is not happy that his father is looking for that particular thing, and that thing go give am joy well well. So na im Ifeanyi come reveal to her. Na im she say she wan come tell Davido. Na im Davido come say, if you dey see Ifeanyi and Ifeanyi send you this message, she say yes. He say then something is wrong with you. Your brain need to be evaluated. Una no talk say Davido na one man no be say na no nonsense. In as much as say the thing come in mind, e come in brain. Anything wey come, in as much as say you no talk am well as you suppose talk am, e go put you in your place. Na im tell her say your brain need to be evaluated. Something is wrong with you. And if care is not taken, at the end of the day, that thing will end you in a place where you will never forget. According to the information, na im Davido vex cut call. As he cut the call, na im dey say Davido come go tell Mama Dupe, wey come send am message say Sophia say she see na something about Ifeanyi na im she wan tell am. Im come go tell Mama Dupe say see wetin Sophia dey tell am say she see Ifeanyi, and Ifeanyi tell am say e get wetin im dey find, so that maybe Sophia, so that Davido go come now tell her say im dey look for something. She dey look, you know say as Davido don dey collect everything from Imade hand, everywhere don dey blur for her. She don dey imagine am say what can she do for her to come close? What can she do for her to gain that relationship again, so that Davido go start dey pay everything again, thinking say na Davido of then. You know say Davido don change. A lot of things don change right now. No be before again when Davido dey do as if e no know wetin e dey do. Now Davido is now another person entirely. Aura for aura, ogbono for ogbono, egusi for egusi. Anyhow wey you take bring am, na im Davido dey take dey dish am back now like this. Wey make im family say dem dey im back. Anyhow wey im take want am, na im be the man. Let him take charge. If he say move, dey move. If he say stay, dey stay. And of which is going as planned. Na im as e go tell Mama Dupe, na Mama Dupe come call Sophia back say, what is Sophia's problem? Knowing fully well that anytime they call this boy's name, Davido and the entire family, they used to feel it in a way. Like it's just like you opening a fresh wound. Wound wey be say people don dey, e don dey dry. People don dey try to see how they go forget. You go just from nowhere come open am. The same thing wey your lawyer do for court, wey make Davido say make dem keep Imade until she is 18 years of age. That time she go fit now take decision. That your lawyer said he cannot take responsibility. He cannot, he is not always there. No be for him two koro eye na im pikin kpai. E no fit hold wetin go happen to im pikin. Then dem come carry Imade give am make the same thing come happen. So you see, na im make Davido come vex say, you dey bring this thing again, knowing fully well that what happened was a mistake, and not like their Davido dey around when the thing happen. So meaning he suppose dey waka with im pikin anywhere wey e dey go, abi mistake cannot happen. Even person wey dey waka with im pikin go everywhere, if something wan happen, e go still happen. Not to come talk of say im even be busy person. But if you no want, no problem. You no need to bring wetin dem dey try to forget, come rub am for their face again. And all of them vex, including the Davido's family, that Sophia is reminding them of what they are trying to forget, of which is not making any sense at all. It's not making any sense. So all those things put together, Sophia don carry am come out. Now Mama Dupe come call Sophia say, why is she doing all of these things? She knows what the family is going through, that it is so painful for them to lose their own. It can't be now wey dey try to move on, she can't come up again with another thing. Is it making sense to her? Why is she doing these things? That is not making any sense at all. That she should stop it. Omo, no be small thing o. Na here where they dey talk, na Sophia tell her say, if she sees something about the Adele case, so she cannot tell them again that see what and what and what and what she saw. That she saw this boy, and this boy is trying to protect his father. He won't make him father know the reason now. Now she say, nothing wey you see, you just want to create a scene. You just want to do drama for where drama no dey. Nothing wey anybody want tell her. Please and please, leave Davido alone. Allow Davido to breathe. It is not by force. Always looking for sin where there is none. Looking for wetin go make matter go become another thing entirely. Go come escalate. The whole family go come dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata, of which is not supposed to be. Please and please, Sophia, leave Davido alone. Leave Davido, let him have his peace. Now like this, Davido dey very, very busy looking for what will put food on his table, not the other way around. Please, I am talking as a mother. Leave Davido alone. No be you be the first baby mama. No be you. You no see any Ifeanyi because you know you want to make him devastated. You want to bring him to another mood entirely so that you can be happy. Because you know that particular name is another name entirely that will put him on another mood. That is exactly what you want to do, and it's not supposed to be like that at all, at all. Please leave the video alone. Now the question is, if all these informations are correct, what is Sophia really want from Davido? Why is it that his happiness is not making her happy at all? Why is it that when Davido wan dey celebrate, wan just dey in thing, make nobody hear am, Sophia go come up with one thing or the other? Which one be you see Ifeanyi? Ifeanyi say e get wetin the father dey find, so that e think say na Davido before, so that Davido go come say there are some things that is bothering me, he go come now tell you the secret, before you know we go come hear am for social media or something. If not, make it make sense. So you no get any other thing wey you wan talk again, na Ifeanyi wey don kpai na you see wey you go come talk about. Na wow. If desperation was a person, Sophia is another thing entirely. We have so many things that you can use to call, because she know talk say nobody really care again. Nobody even gets to answer anything wey she dey talk. So she dey look for wetin she go take enter them. Because immediately she talk about Ifeanyi true true, na im make Mama Dupe go tell Davido say abeg make him unblock Sophia, make Sophia fit tell am wetin she wan tell am. Say because she no gree tell her, e say na Davido e wan tell because e dey very important. At the end of the day, you call, you dey talk another thing. No be juju be this one now. I say what is all this? Just because they don hold you here, hold you there, go no go, come no come again. E dey look for wetin you wan take put for talk, so that e go bring talk, we go bring talk, wey at the end of the day una go come offend each other. They go come bring am come social media, they go start dey drag Davido, because na anytime wey they dey drag Davido, na Sophia dey happy, na the thing dey sweet her pass. The only baby mama wey be say they dey drag her baby daddy, e dey sweet her for body, na im be Sophia. Wey I know say some people go say, my baby daddy, oh God abeg oh, make nothing happen to am because e go affect my baby. For where? And you say you love Imade. Now wetin carry Ifeanyi come inside matter now? I am like, what is all this? My people, wetin una think say e be the problem of this very lady? According to Davido, una sure say true true, they no go evaluate, they no go carry her go rehab or check her, make they really know if there is something that is supping that we are not aware of. Make una drop una opinion for the comment section, guys. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I really bring good and latest. See you guys in my next upload.